Right, straight into picking. So I'm going to use a medium hook, one of my custom ones, and a short flex wrench. And we're just going to feel through and see what we can come up with. So number 1, springy. 2 is springy, 3 is, 4 is, nothing on 5. So if that happens, I increase the tension. And I keep on doing that until I find a binder. So number 2, click off 2, nothing on 1, that's gone right to the back of the lock. Click off 5, bring it back forward, and then we have 1 still springy, 2 is binding up again, another click off 2, 3, click off 3, 4, 1 click, 2 click, then a little bit springy, 5, nothing much, back to the front, 1 is still springy, 2, getting counter, might just be me touching the tension wrench actually, that's the downside of picking with a tension wrench at the top. So we're into a bit of a false set when I touched 4, so now we're going to go over 5, nice anti-rotation just off 5, and then we're into a deep false set. So now we're working for the last one. Number 1's binding up pretty hard now, so we're going to just let that, see how it comes back. It's number 1 set. Alright mate? Number 2. Bye. Number 2's giving us counter as well, so I'll get him set. Still retaining the false set. On 4, nothing. Nothing happening on 5. 4 again, 3 again, 2 and 1. 2, 3, tension wrench is coming out, 4, oh, I knew that was going to happen, 1, straight back in, nothing on 1, 2, 2's giving us something now. Maybe that needs setting a little bit deeper. 4, 5, 4, 3 feels set. 2, 1, I'm not getting nothing. So I think it's going to be I've overset something, I'm searching for the last pin. A little click off 4. It's open. Madhouse in E today. So that was Bill Bacardi's lock. Cracking little lock that was, Bill. Oh, I'll get this out, get it gutted. And I want to see what the key looks like. So we'll move the vice out of the way, bring in the good old IKEA pinning mat that I found. Get a knife. Trusty old one from William Mansell. Snap that into place. See what the key looks like. Took a while to drop into that false set, but when I was in there, it was pretty plain sailing, to be honest. Lovely lock to pick it out. Great response from the lock as well. Give you plenty of feedback. And that is the bitten. 5. That's actually a 6 pin, and I didn't fail the 6th pin. Ghost pin is what that is. Maybe I should start counting the pins prior to starting. Unless it's got 5 pins and he hasn't put the 6th pin in. I'm not sure, but we'll have a look in a second. But lovely bitting on the key. Get the hook set out. Let's have a look. I've just found my other follower, so it should be a little bit more plain sailing with this one, hopefully. I'm gonna let it go into there. He said use a shim, but I haven't got any shims, like, so I'm just gonna have to use this. I think this is called a pin and shoe. I think that's what it's called anyway. Let's just get that off. Come off nicely. And we should be able to push that straight out. Should be, no, it should be right. As long as that goes over there. This might not be the right one actually. Nope, I haven't got the right follower for it nor a shim, so I'm going to have to be extra careful. Just pull that out. Now it's stuck. All the pins are down, so I can't say. Well, there's 5 out or 6 out straight away. It always seems to happen. That was 5. Four. 3. 2. Size of that pin, Bill. Bill, these pins are awesome, mate. And then finally the last one, which is 1. So we have double spool pin slash serrated pin, a spool sort of T-pin with a very, very sharp edge. A serrated pin, serrated, and a spool with a very, very sharp edge on that. I'll give you a close-up in a minute. Got to get me some shims, man. This is getting ridiculous. This is now. Right, let's just see if we can stand these up. And here, so that would have went there. That would have went that way. That wouldn't would have went that way. That one would have went that way. Hey, my little daughter in the background, she's gone nuts because I've got family down from Sunderland. So they're dead excited, bless them. And that would have maybe went... Probably is that way to get caught. So as you can see, all of them would have definitely come into play. Absolutely well engineered lock, Bill. Hats off to you, my friend. And what would have, so this would have went straight down there. Look at that. It's not gonna be able to do it, am I? But yeah, cracking lock, mate. Loved it. It's good how you've getting all of them to come into play. Top lock, buddy. I'm going to line these up and give you a close up. And we'll have a look at the key pins. No doubt they're going to be extraordinary as well. Bill's actually got one of my locks that I'm trying to get sent around the world. Right. So number 5 is spool / serrated. Got a standard steel pin, that one is. Standard. 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 Finally, last but not least, that is a serrated key pin. Try and line them up. So the bitten would have been like that, with them lovely pins on the top. Now, if we look in there, we've got undercutting on, that would have been 3, if I can get it to focus. 3 and 6. 6 is undercutted, as is 3, and then chambers 4 and 5 are threaded, which was causing us the headache initially. As for the Bible, let's get all the springs out. Some long, some short, one steel and the rest I think's brass. One's a little bit weaker, that one is, than the rest. So yeah, good mash up with the springs as well, Bill. Then let's have a look inside there, because knowing Bill, he would have had something weird going on. Number 6 looks to be, yeah, it is. It's I think he's had the Dremel in there and undercut it, if you can say that. I can't see if he's did it anywhere else. He hasn't. So yeah, another challenge lock done. Really pleased with this one. It's the first one that I've picked off Bill Bacardi that he's made. So the bitting on the key is quite radical. Challenging bitting. Challenging lock, Bill, and I hope to see some more of your locked, mate. Let's just give you a close up with the pins. Them, my friend, are lovely. If you've liked the video and you'd like to see more, please subscribe, like the video, and leave your comments, please. Much appreciated. Bye bye for now.